Hello all, welcome to Simplii Finance. In the previous video, we discussed on the EPS. Those who have not seen the previous video, we have given the link in the I section. Do click and check it out. In this video, we are going to understand how corporate actions impact EPS and calculating of weighted average number of shares outstanding. So grab your notes, stay tuned till the end, and let's make sure this concept never confuses you ever again. So now we'll be looking at the basic EPS when there are some corporate actions happening during the year. So what do you mean by corporate actions? Stock splits, reverse splits, or stock dividends. Okay. So for all these corporate actions, an effect has to be given retrospectively to all the shares which were outstanding immediately prior to the corporate action. Okay. So let's see how it is to be done. So opening, you had 30,000 shares outstanding, and it was outstanding for the entire year. So let's keep this in mind, 30,000 into 12 by 12. And on 1st of April, there was another 5,000 shares which was issued to 9 by 12. So on the 1st of July, there has been a stock dividend. Stock dividend for 10%. So let's give a retrospective effect. So it's for all the shares which were outstanding prior to the 1st of July needs to be impacted by 1.10. That is, you're getting 10% dividend, so 1.10 is what you will multiply all the prior shares which were outstanding. Then on 1st of September, there was a stock split of for 3:2. That is 3 new shares from 2 outstanding shares. Okay, so 3:2. Again, you give a retrospective aspect, meaning it has to be given for all the shares which were outstanding till the 31st of August. So 3 by 2 is what you do a multiplication with. Okay, and on 1st of October, there was a 5,000 repurchase of 3 by 12. Okay, let's do the math here. So 30,000 into 1.10 into 3.2. So this becomes 49,500. And this becomes 5,000 into 9 by 12 into 1.10 and 3 by that 6,188. And here this becomes 5,000 into 3 divided by 2. So 5,000 into 3 divided by 12, 1,250. So all these values, 49,500 plus 6,188 minus 1,250. So 54,438 is the weighted average number of shares. Okay guys, I hope today's topic was clear and easy to understand. If you have any questions, kindly DM us through our Instagram ID or in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we upload the next video.